back to another video of ROBO PHOENIX. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's begin this. You're watching ROBO PHOENIX. So let's begin. So first step is that we have to make a white cross, any color cross, but I'm choosing white cross. So these are the middle pieces, and these are called the, before that I need to introduce these pieces. This is the middle piece, corner piece, center piece. So this is a middle piece, and I bring two middle pieces are here. Okay, so you need to bring all middle pieces to this this spot. So here we have, okay, we have the white cross. We have not yet completed step 1. We are still in the step 1, and look, this color pink and blue, they are not match, so you have to turn it, pink and pink. Okay, match. Now you have to put it down like this. Then, is blue and green match? No. Blue here, again down. Oh, orange and orange, already done. Green is pending. Yeah, green. Match. Now down. So, the white cross has vanished, and when you look down, it will be either like this or any other, but it will be like this. This middle piece will be here, white middle piece will be like this, and the center piece will be, this is a center piece, yellow center piece. And now bring everything back up. Now everything is back up. So our first stage has been completed. So our second step is finish the first layer. So to finish our first layer, we have to complete the white. So here's one corner piece of white, and as you can see, if you put this up like this, see, it became correct, same color. See? Okay, in case if you see my video like that, you'll be thinking, look at this, okay, white is here, so I'll put here white. Look, it's not same color. Look, so you should be careful about that. See, I got this perfect color, I kept it. Now here's another piece. Is this correct? It will go here, and this will go here. Yes, it is correct. Then putting it down, up. Okay, one more corner piece over here. Bring it up. Okay, and here's the same color. If it will go up, this will go up. It is correct. So keep that up. And now our first layer is solved. So let's go to the stage. What is stage? Yeah, stage 3. But in stage 3, I won't be explaining like this. Over here or somewhere, image will come. So you have to check that, and then you have to do it. I will not be saying anything. I'll be just doing my own way. But you better, I give you a clue. You better use the thing which is coming in the screen. That is more easier for you guys. Okay, so let's move to the stage 3.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright.